So I'm up here in Liberty Township, Ohio, just north of Cincinnati. This dock and deck combination here, let me show you. It had an old disintegrating stain on it that was just all but not there anymore, right? The sun had just scorched it off of there. We've come in with the thick build, the ultra tough, the industrial grade Kong armor, lifetime deck armor system, permanent deck coating system, right? We've come in and encapsulated all of that old disintegrating flaking stain off of this structure with the industrial grade elastomer, right? Kong is 30 to 50 times thicker than thin residential deck paints and stains, and it does something that is unbelievable to these old structures. It brings them roaring back to life. Not only does it resurface them, it actually rebuilds their surfaces. How does it do that, right? Well, look, let me show you. During our application process, which is actually called encapsulation, we actually take the time to manually press this industrial coating into the cracks and hairlines. And by the time we're done, there's none left. So we fill all of those cracks and those hairlines in these old weathered decks, we fill them in with this industrial elastomer, right? The nail and screw entry holes, we completely cover them over to create true water lock. Look, Kong's got splinter lock technology. It's rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, up to hurricane wind speeds and beyond. UV block. The rays will come down and hit Kong, and they'll get deflected back up into the atmosphere, right? This was a borderline floor replacement here. They were weighing down whether or not they wanted to replace their floor. The good news is with Kong armor, they didn't have to. We've totally encapsulated this deck, locked down the disintegrating flaking stain that was here, rebuilt their floor's old weathered surfaces, and now they have lifetime deck armor. Backed locally here in the tri-state, lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise. I'm going to try to get some drone shots of this from the air and show you guys how beautiful this is before it gets too dark, right? But listen, if you want to get your deck system encapsulated in the world's toughest deck armor, the most advanced deck resurfacing coating on the planet today, just visit kongarmor.com right here. Click this link. If the website's there, go to the website, whatever. Go there and get a free quote. See ya.